Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, March 23rd. It is hump day. Woo, woo. Yep, we've made it. Well, by the noon today, we've made it halfway through the week. All right, here's a look at our futures, and you can see that we have as of right now, it is a confirmed 3-8 cross, and we are up over the 20 in our price action. So now the next look here would be to see if we can get that 3 and 8 above the 20 in the futures. We had that confirmed cross yesterday. You can see right now we're really kind of quiet, just sitting inside the top of that candle. Really, we're down like 17
LDOS,
points in the S&P, down about 100 in the Dow. These are well, yeah, just about 100 in the Dow. But this is still a very nice look, right? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the last 6 candles here in the futures are green. And I was looking for a little bit of a break yesterday on it. Let me pull it up this way. Here we go. I was looking for a little bit of a break here on the SPY. Like this look here, we took the move from the 200, pushed up to this trend line that we drew from back here at these candles, and look at that. Came right up and smacked it. So we will continue to watch. You can see here, that's the line. It's right here. So we're just a little bit below it here this morning, but we're well above the opening price from the week. All in all, a good looking chart. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into let's go ahead and talk about a few names that are moving this morning. These are both off of good earnings. So General Mills, they had great earnings. They have a strong forecast and see strong demand. Apparently, we're all still at home eating cereal. This morning, it is up here testing the 20. That's a pretty big move, but for a day trade, I would keep an eye on General Mills. Adobe, interesting, they actually had really good numbers, and yet they are on the downside here. We are back at the 20, going down though. So right at that 28 period moving mark, I would actually watch for this one to maybe push down and then reverse and go back up. Again, just for a day trade. And then I want to talk about Tesla. I almost put this in the watch list, but it is ridiculously expensive. But look at this. Just, with these candles, we've had so many green candles in this, just monstrous move yesterday. We're up meeting some resistance. I would look for this to either maybe pull back just a little bit and reset, or great day trading opportunity here, because really there's not a lot in the way until we get up here to about 1,025. So that would kind of be my target there in Tesla. Seeing some nice continued movements in cost. Like this inside candle, I like anything over yesterday's high, and that could set up for a nice swing trade. I just didn't see any options I liked on it right now, but I will go back and take a look at that. Bed Bath and Beyond. Now we're getting a little wicky, top and bottom wicks. Don't really like that as much. But for a day trade here, this has just been a great move. We came up and then held most of that gap. We didn't go back and fill the gap, and now we're solidly over the 200. So anything over the close to test the high yesterday, and then I see up to about 25.70 there would be a nice target on Bed Bath and Beyond. And Devon Energy, that's another one. Some of these energy names doing well. I just like this little inside candle here. It's a little bit of a doji. I like it on a move above yesterday's high to test Monday's high, but then go up here and test that 63.10. So those are a few that I'm watching. But I only set up 2 because, well, they were the only ones I liked. So let's start with MOS. Nope, MOS. There we go. MOS Mosaic. This has been a great mover. We had a gap. We took a little bit of a break, playing off the inside candle here, looking for a move through the high of yesterday, that's 67.23. I would stop about 65.60 and target that 67.75, and then it's just a breakout. But nice little reset on a little bit less volume on that inside candle and holding the gap. And then AFRM, have not played this in quite a while, but it is working its way, back up here. We tested some of this resistance, looking for a move through the 34, and then a play up to the 50. I like the 45 calls. Now, these are all in May, by the way. The 45 call around 43.65, or an opening range break. Now, this you have to be very cautious on because it doesn't look like it would be super whippy because the candles are pretty small, but the volume can dry up in a heartbeat. So just be cautious of that. But it looks like we've potentially put in a nice little bottom. We've accumulated quite a few buyers in here. You can see that with that point of control. Just looking for the reversal. Hard to believe that we're talking about it here, and it's at the $40 range versus the $176 it was just a few months ago. So, okay, so the entry at 43.65 or an opening range break, and I'm going to target 44.30 and then 47.68. All right, so that is it for me this morning. I know it's a super quick video. If you have any questions, Heather C at givingtreetrading.com. And don't forget that Powell is speaking here. I think he's actually talking right now. So see if any headlines come out that move us around on that. Tomorrow, initial claims. So all good stuff. I will see you soon.